In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel range to HTML in Excel VBA. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to work with VBA. This should be the file that contains the spreadsheet data you want to turn into HTML. Make sure the workbook is open and ready before moving on, since the macro will use a range directly from that file. Next, open the Visual Basic Editor by pressing Alt and F11 on your keyboard. This will take you into the VBA environment where you can create and run macros. If you're new to this area, don't worry. You only need a few actions here to make this work. Once the editor opens, go to the Project Explorer and select your workbook. After that, click Insert in the top toolbar, then choose Module. This creates a new standard module and a blank code window will appear. This is where your VBA procedure will go. Now create the VBA procedure by copying the code that has been provided and pasting it into the new module window. If needed, pause the video so you can clearly view the full code before entering it. Be sure to paste everything into the module exactly as shown, because even small formatting or syntax mistakes in VBA can cause the macro not to run properly. After the code is in place, modify the target range inside the procedure. You'll see a reference like A1C5. Replace that with the actual Excel range you want to convert to HTML. For example, if your data is somewhere else on the sheet or covers more rows and columns, update that range so it matches your selection. This step is important because the macro only converts the range you specify. When you're ready, run the macro. Click anywhere inside the Convert Range to HTML procedure, then press F5. That tells Excel to execute the code. Depending on your Excel settings, you may need to allow macros before it runs. After the macro finishes, you'll be able to view the HTML output. A message box will appear showing the generated HTML code. This is useful if you want to quickly inspect the result right away. The HTML is also temporarily saved as a file named temp.html.htm in your computer's temporary folder, which can help if you want to open the output in a browser or use it elsewhere. And that's it. You've successfully converted an Excel range into HTML using Excel VBA.